Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display specific product or manual selection of product in grid layout in WooCommerce WordPress in Elementor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display specific product in grid layout. So we are using this plugin Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to plugin setting. Now you see, and then in elements you see WooCommerce element. So enable this option Woo product grid and then click on save changes. So after that go to edit page. On left side you see plus icon, so click on it and then in search widget write Woo product grid. So this is widget we are using, so drag and drop here. So we are going to select product manually in product grid layout in Elementor. Now you see layout, select grid. Now you see style preset, so you can set style according to requirement. We are using simple style. You can select any. Column 4 show badge enable disable according to requirement. Now you see query. Now select source product and then you see filter by. Now you see manual selection. Now select order by date, order descending or ascending, product count 4. Now you see select product. So we are going to select product manually to display in product grid. Now you see we are selecting, so you can write product name. Now you see two product we selected. Now you see out of stock, disable, on sale, enable, product rating, enable disable according to requirement. If you want you can enable show sold count, so it's up to you. Product price, product compare button, we enable this option. Now you see compare. Secondary image on our enable. Add to cart, if you want you can add custom text for add to cart. Load more, disable pagination, product compare. Because we enable compare option, that's why this tab show compare table setting, image, title, price. Now go to style. Now you see product alignment. Now you see color typography, product title, product price, star rating, add to cart pop-up. So you can do styling according to requirement and then show manual selection of product in grid layout and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.